is already stronger than Udit. Okay, so the next one, I would request Anna to demonstrate how to do the Trivangi balancing. Just show to Udit. 5, 6, 7, start. Lift your leg and 1, yes, and 2, and 3, yes, torso 4. Lift your torso 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Janabi, come up, and you can also copy. And 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Knee open, 6, 7. More, push your torso, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7.
Good. Thank you, Anna. Now we have 2 legs, opposite side. 5. Good, Janabi. 6, 7, left foot. Start. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Good, Anna. 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. More torso. 5, and 6. Open your knee. 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Come on, Janavi. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Come on, Udit. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Very good. Okay. Good, Janabi. Yes. She's dancing after a long time. Very good. Okay, so don't worry. If you cannot hold it, you can just fall down and again try. Okay. Now today we will try Ekapada Brahmari. What is Ekapada Brahmari? Just watch me once. Okay, Udit also just try to learn from behind. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Left leg. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Right leg. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Left leg. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. So I'm doing when I say right, because they see opposite side, but you can do any leg. Okay. So Janabi, did you get it? Yeah. Okay. She's doing. Okay, everyone. 5, 6. So Juliana and Nana, watch your hands also. Now you guys are turn is very good already. Okay. Remember? Yes, that's one. Good, Juliana. 5, 6, 7. Right foot tap. 2 and spin. Stay there. And left foot tap. And spin. Stay there. Right leg 1, 2, and stay. Spin, sorry. And left foot. And spin. Again. And right. And spin. And left. And spin. Again and right leg. and spin, and left, and spin. Good. Okay. Can you come more closer so that they can see you? Okay, so Janabi, you can just watch. Udit is at least getting how to the timings and all. Okay, just try to do with him. Okay, again. So Juliana,
Spinning is a difficult one for me. When I try to spin, my feet get stuck.
Okay, you can wear socks. Everyone is
Okay.
advising you. Do you have socks now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Anna is also wearing socks now. Oh. Yes. Correct. Janabi, have you worn socks?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so because this is like a practice, we have to train our muscle. So please don't mind that. I know that in India you don't wear socks for practice, but for practical reason, it's 2020. Okay, we wear socks for practice. Okay, all right. Again, 5, 6, 7. Start and right foot and spin and left foot and spin again, right foot, knees open, Juliana, and spin, knees open, yes, and plie, left foot and spin. Okay. Just resting. Anna is very good. You are getting there. Okay. Now, Juliana, only thing is that your knees are coming forward. So always remember, try to pull back your knees behind your body. Okay. Now, Janabi, just watch me once. Okay. Other people you can practice or you can rest or have water or whatever. Okay. Now, when you are tapping your right foot, you lift your right foot and you turn. When you are tapping on your left, you lift your left leg. So when you do the right foot tapping, you go towards your left shoulder. Okay, when you're tapping left, you go towards the right shoulder. Okay. So Janabi, can you just once show me 5, 6, 7, stand, right foot, perfect, left foot, super perfect. Girl, she's so quick. Yes. Okay, so let's do together. Juliana, I want knees open. 5, 6, 7, start, and right foot, and turn, and left foot, and turn, again right foot, and turn, and left foot, and turn, double speed, and right, and turn, left, and turn, 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 double, right and turn, left and turn, right and turn, left and turn, right and turn, left and turn, right and turn, left and turn. Okay. Don't worry if you cannot do the faster version. But today I am so happy because Juliana tried at least. She didn't give up. Okay. Janabi, I think you're very, very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now, let's try first without any hands. We will do the hands, but later. Now, look at me once. Okay. Here, first, your left foot is 45 degrees, you open. Okay, now brush to the same direction, 45 degrees, your right heel. Now you open your leg and turn and finish on the Tribangi. Okay, now the other side. Now here also your right foot 45 degrees, brush your foot, heel, and Tribangi. Okay, now your right foot and Tribangi. Make sure you sit down in Tribangi every time. And little bit lift up your body, heel, and turn. Okay, so this one we will do. So starting from your right heel, brush. Okay, 5, 6, 7, start. And right heel, and turn. And left heel.
I have to go down, right?
Turn. Yes. And right heel. And turn. Good, Janabi. And left heel. And turn. Double speed. Right heel. And turn. Left heel. And turn. Right heel and turn. Left heel and turn. Right heel and turn. Left heel and turn. Good, Anna. Right heel and turn. Left heel and turn. Wow. Janabi, you're doing very good. And Anna, you got the momentum, especially on your right side. Left side sometimes no, but once one side is good, you will know. Okay, so don't worry, it will take time. It took me 8 to 10 years for me to master this. Okay, so please don't worry. But I am also showing Udit today because he has never done Odissi before, and he has done some session, maybe in total 5 times. He is very, very talented. I think he shouldn't have become an architect. I think he should have been a dancer. Okay. Anyways, so we are all new, but you're doing well. Now, let's not do the spin now. I want to just review the upper body for this. Okay. Now, when you, this is for the spin. Okay. Now, make your left hand in Hamsasya. Remember, this is like a okay kind of mudra. Now, you put your palm facing up. Okay, but not completely above your crown of the head, slightly forward. Okay, not here, but slightly, but not too forward. I think yesterday, Anna, because I said forward, you were a little bit too much forward. Here, but not here, just here. Okay, this much. All right. Now you have to push your wrist, not like this. Push your wrist down, I mean up, sorry. Now from in front of the sternum, you have to go 1. Now here the torso is towards the right. 2, your torso towards left. And 3, torso towards right. Change. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Shift. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Just watch the torso also. Opposite side of the hand. 2 and 3. The last position is same size as the hand. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, relax once. I want to see only the torso and the hand. Don't do the spin. 5 from the right hand. 6, 7, start. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Left side. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Again, and 1, 2, and 3. Good, Janavi. That's it. 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Very good. Okay, okay. Just relax, 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 relax. Okay, now what I want is, okay, Juliana, you just keep on doing like that. Anna, you're good, but this is coming very low. Otherwise, you're perfect. Just put it up. Okay. Janabi, everything is correct. Only thing is that your hand, you are not pushing the wrist. You are doing everything like this. Like this. Push your wrist up. Okay. Good. Again, only the upper body. Juliana, just keep on like that. 5, 6, 7, start. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Left hand. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect, Janavi. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, and Anna, more hand up again. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Left side. 1. Hand up, Anna. 2, and 3. Yes, that's it. Hand up, Anna. And 1. January is fine. 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Good girl. Okay, relax, relax. Okay. So I am not asking anybody for perfection. Today is like a just challenge day. Okay. So now you know you will combine. Don't worry if you fall down, but the thing is, be careful you don't injure your body. Okay. 1, you brush with your heel and the hand in the same direction. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Left side 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 1, 2 and 3. 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so because this is very slow, so you might not get balance, but I want to see slow version first. Okay, then we will do also faster also later. 5, 6, 7, start, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and left, 2 and 3. Good, Janavi. That's it. And 1, 2 and 3, 4. Wow. And 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Okay. Relax. Okay, so now everyone is doing. I am very happy with Anna and Juliana because you guys are done. Okay, it's because yesterday also we did. Now Anna and Juliana also little bit more up. Okay, it is becoming little bit too low, this hand. Up. Okay, that is a challenge because the ending posture and everything is correct. All right. For Janavi, you are doing everything correct, but I have no complaints about your upper body. Now,
My legs are trembling.
So leg, how do you do? After you brush, you open. Here, when you're opening, your pelvis is not open inside. Okay, brush, open. Now, here you open, means the pelvis will open. With this momentum, you turn. Okay? Okay, it's like Okay, I'm not saying but the thing is, quietly you're saying Just keep on spinning of your own timing. I will not say. Okay. Janavi, first, what I said, yes, you're understanding. First is you do like this, like that. Here you are already opening. No. 1, 2, and you have to. So if you see from the side, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. So you will throw your foot from back to front, like a, but not just straight. It's like a from down. It's like a spiral. From down, spiral, and turn. Show me, Janavi. Anna and Juliana, you can just keep on practicing of your own. Yes. My God, Janavi, I'm happy. Welcome. So quick learner here. Left side. Yes. Yes, like that.
Portion is shaking.
Shaking. Okay. When it is shaking, Janavi, today is your first time. Okay. Please do not do too much. Okay. It is more important to do practice every day or every other day, even for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, rather than in one day, 10 hours and finish the practice. No. Okay. So in my class, nothing is compulsory. Okay. And I am not going to be upset with nothing. Okay. So don't worry. So please do take rest. And when you feel it's not shaking anymore, when you're ready, only you try. All right, whoever is okay, let's do 5. And also remember, when you're doing right foot, your right hand is working. When you're kicking your left foot, left hand is walking. So same side is moving at the same time. All right? 5, 6, 7, start. And 1, 2, and 3. Very good, Julian. And left. 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Janavi, that's it. 2, and 3. Very good. 4, and 1. 2, and 3, 4. Good. Anna, double feet and turn. Left and turn. Right and turn. Left and turn. Right and turn. Left and turn. Right and turn. Left and turn. Double. Right and turn. Left and turn. 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 Very good. Yes, Janavi, you got it. So don't worry if you cannot do the faster speed, because my I'm doing this faster speed to see Juliana's reaction on it. Left side for everyone is a problem. Even for me, even for everyone. Now Anna is looking really beautiful because she's super open. I don't know how to explain. Okay, let's just watch her once. She's not yet got the balance, but okay, show me. 5, 6, 7. That's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and left. 2, and wow, look at this. Okay, thank you. Now let me see Juliana. Come on. 5, 6, 7. Stand. 1, 2, and whoa. And left side. 2, and wow. Good. Very good. I'm surprised. I'm a little bit jealous. How can you learn so quickly? Okay. So because I'm jealous, I'll put my the credit to me because I teach well. So you guys are learning faster. Okay. Then I'm happy. Okay. Come on, Janavi. 5, 6, 7. Stand. And 1, 2, and 3. Wow. And left side. 2, and 3, 4. Yes. Good. So left side because you're not used to it, but don't worry. It was very, very perfect. The position, everything you understood. Okay, that I could see. All right. Now, Juliana and Anna learned this one, so we can just incorporate this for regular practice without me explaining. Okay, I'm very happy. So let us start Vasanta Pallavi. Okay. Now I will put the music and Janabi also. You can just watch us and you can do it, or you can just watch us, whatever you feel like. And one second. Now everyone just be in the position, and Janabi, I am doing mirror for you. Okay, so you can just copy me. Okay, and Udit will also copy me from behind. So let's see. All right. If I stop once, just 1 second, just keep on remembering what comes next. Okay, because once I mess up. Okay. Okay, position. This is the dance for Vasanta. Brush. Okay. We will repeat again. Okay, so Janabi, just use me or Udit as a mirror. Okay, Udit is not yet used to it. So this is springtime. Brush your foot. Peacock open the wing in the springtime and going into the spring field and walk in the spring field. Now Krishna ties his hair and put peacock feather. Okay, I'll just move to back. Flowers, blossom, and choka birds sing. From the tree, new leaves are coming out. And the new leaves are so soft and tender. Okay. Again, last time I'll do with you guys. You can watch, you can do whatever you want. 5. So I will start from behind. 5, 6, 7. Start. This is springtime. Peacock open the wing and going into the spring field. And walks in the spring field. In the springtime, Krishna ties his hair and he puts peacock feather to ornament his hair. Flowers blossom and birds are singing in this beautiful springtime. From the tree, new leaves are coming out. Small, small new leaves. And they are very soft. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, I'm not getting the finger positions. I mean, mudras and this kind of.
yes, yes. So You can just try, especially in the beginning, Janabi, it is Mayura. And cross your right wrist over left wrist. Okay, and as you brush, you open. Okay, everyone also. Anna, be careful, don't open. Okay, slowly. And you cross the Mayura here above your head, but in front of your head. Okay, open your elbows with it. Then you're going down. Your forehead will almost touch your knee. Keep this distance between your knee and your forehead. You go down. And as you slide forward, you bring your head up. Okay. This much for Janavi today. After that, you forget it. Okay. Now I will say everyone. 5, 6, 2, and Juliana and Anna. 7, start. This is springtime. People open the wings and going into the spring field. Again from the top. Okay. Now, Juliana and Anna, you guys will not lose balance now. So how to balance? I told you, you have to decide, okay, I will not lose balance, no matter what. Okay, now we are pro now. Hello, let's go. 5, 6, 7, start. This is springtime. We go open the wings and going into the spring field. Continue. And 1, good, Janabi. And 2, and now Krishna, tie his hair. Good, Janabi. And put peacock feather. Push your torso towards left more, Anna. Yes. Now flowers, blossom. And birds, Choka, sing. From the tree, new leaves are coming out. And they are small, small, small. Okay, you haven't done. Juliana hasn't done. And they are very tender. Okay, good. Thank you. So don't worry about the new part because I was not for sure because I was maybe just doing the daytime class. Okay. Now, Juliana. So first, this is fine. This is also fine. This is also fine. Now, when you do Krishna, no, knee, please open. Krishna, proper choka, ties his hair. Okay, not here, here, down. And put peacock feather here. Anna, I see, I don't know, like this. Okay, this is what I don't want. Like a leaning, it is, don't, I think so. Don't go here when you're doing. Okay, it is here. I'm not going this. All right? Yeah. Yeah, good try, Janabi. Again, from the top. 5, 6, 7, start. This is springtime, peacock. Open the wings. And going into the spring field. Again, from the top. Okay. Some people lost balance. But don't worry. We are all friends. 5, 6, 7. Start. This is springtime. Peacock open the wings and going into the spring field. Yeah. And walks in the spring field. And 1 and 2 and now Krishna ties his hair. Yes, Juliana, you got it. Put peacock feather. Push your torso. Yes. Bend your left knee. Yes. Okay, better. Now flowers, blossom. Wow, Janavi. And birds. Sing. From the tree. Now here, Choka. Yes, Juliana. Good. All right. Good. Okay. Now, Juliana got it. Another request is there. Now, almost, I think Anna is fine here. But I think, yes, we have done this open. Okay, and then this. Now, Krishna. Here only. So I think because Janabi is running very quick, Janabi, you have done this. You're going down from here. You just change your right hand into Alapadma as you cross your wrist. Okay, but from here, now Juliana, what I want is watch my leg here. And I don't see, you are doing from here. And 1 and 2. Okay, Anna is doing beautiful point at this. 1 and 2. I'm not talking about the point. We are not ballerina, but I'm more I want to see this opening. Okay, because you dance on the big stage, nobody will see this leg. I am Juliana. No. You know, you're shining star in Washington, D.C. I am Juliana. Coming. Yay. Okay, you have to appeal. Okay, from the top. That I want to see for Juliana. And Janavi can now even try because she's learning so quick. All right, position 5, 6, 7. Start. This is springtime. Peacock open the wings and going into the spring field. And walking. Yes, Juliana. Ritsa. Krishna ties his hair and put peacock feather on the hair. Wow. Flowers, blossom, and birds sing from the tree. Yes, thank you. Okay, so we will quickly just show you the maybe new part, but the thing is, what I want to say is, Juliana, everything is correct. Everything is good because your wrist is so supple, everything is good. What I don't see is this openness. I am here. Nothing to worry is not coming. Like it's little bit, okay, just because it's different. We are dancer. We have to bomb blasting. Okay, so that is the quality that Anna is having, and only Anna can have this quality, excuse me. I also try, and Juliana also will try. Okay, just like how explode. But I'm not saying when you open, everything is nice, but you're not opening from within. I don't know how to express. I'm so sorry. I might sound.
No, this is interesting. It's like therapy.
Sorry. I'm
Yes.
not trying to become spiritual, but the thing is that
No, I get it though. Yeah.
Yeah.
I get it, but it's
try
gotta
on
be.
that.
It's an inner change. Yeah. Sure.
So this time, just explode it. Okay, Anna, on the contrary, please do the balancing because she's exploding, so she's like falling here, falling there. But Anna has that quality. Again, 5, 6, 7. Start. This is springtime. Peacock opens. Yeah. Keep that openness. And going down the field. Here also, like reach out to the world. Juliana. Yes, that's it. Yes. And 1, and 2, and Krishna ties his hair and put peacock feather and flowers blossom and birds sing from the trees. Very good. Okay. Thank you. So it was very much open. Okay, but the thing is, I am not saying, okay, so suppose if you can feel it, this is springtime, peacock open and going into the spring field. Okay, but I'm not saying, open. No, I'm more talking about different things. This is springtime. You know, like hope. I don't know. Like, yes, reaching, but it is not, okay, just the feel and how to do it. Maybe like all the pores of your body is open and connected. We have to vibe with this everything, not only the beautiful nature, also this, you know, like a bad air or PM5 or whatever it may be. But the thing is, you have to connect, not connecting by this. Okay, we are not athletes or gymnastic or Olympic. Okay, now open means like from inside you are open. Now because it's so beautiful, sorry, now don't feel the PM5 because I forgot. We are dancing Vasanta, which is springtime. So feel the spring. Embrace the springtime and going into the spring field and look at the beautiful things. Okay, so every moment, get excited. All right, so let's not proceed in detail now today because I want to see this. Now I want to see Anna. On the contrary, I want to see, okay, good balance, for which opening is very important, but we have to also balance in this life. Okay, hello, once more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, start. This is springtime. Peacock open the wing and going into the spring field and walk in the spring field. Now Krishna ties his hair and put peacock feather. Now flowers blossom and birds sing from the tree. Very good. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Now, I want to see one by one. And if you are tired, you can just watch. If you still keep on practicing, you can practice. And okay, if you're tired, at least just watch someone else that I'm watching and just give them feedback. If you, I mean, you can keep on practicing. Okay. Now, what I want to see is from Anna Darling. Let me see yours. Okay. 5, 6, 7, start. This is springtime. Peacock open the wing. And going into, okay. Anna. I cannot see if your knee is, see, you went from here. Okay. Is your foot here or you're already here? I hope it's here. Don't make it back. Okay. Maybe because of the screen, I cannot see maybe. Again, sorry, again. 5, 6, 7. This is springtime. Peacock open the wing. Knee front. Yes. And going down into the spring field slowly. Yes. Now walk in the spring field. Beautiful. Now Krishna ties his hair. And put peacock feather. That's it. Very nice. Now flowers, blossom, and birds, and sing from the tree. Very good. Thank you. I think from the tree. Okay. So when you're walking, okay, this push is still not. You are here, still here. Okay, try this. Not like this, like this. Okay, and this leg was very nice. You have seen Juliana watched, thank God. Okay, so she is also inspired now. Now, after that, Krishna is good. This is fine. Flower blossom was gone. This is fine. Okay, from the tree, it is little bit still moving. It's not wrong. It's okay. But what I want is from the tree. Look at my head. So when my toe is landing, I am also landing with my face. Okay, so bird sings from the tree. So that coordination with the face, hands and everything was not done. Okay, just keep on practicing that part. Okay, now let me see Juliana. 5, 6, 7. Body to the front little bit, from body to facing front, but only the legs are, yes. Then hands are towards the left side. Yes. 5, 6, yes, 7. Start. This is springtime. Peacock open the wing and going into the field. Very nice. And walk. Knee open. Yes, that's it. And 2. Krishna. Open. Sorry. Ties his hair and put peacock feather. Flowers, blossom, and birds. Sing. Very good. Now from the tree. Yes. Wow. Very nice this time. It was open. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I think nothing to say. Very good. And also for one thing, if I forcefully push try also when you're practicing, try to do very slow. Okay, because doing very slow is very difficult. Okay, so when you are doing slow, then like if you're doing slow from it needs a lot of control. So this way, if you can manage the slow, fast, doing fast is much easier. Okay. So I think
can I
like
ask
that.
you?
Yes, please.
Maybe for later after we did our thing, could you re-show the time? Because I know you're doing an extra. I kind of mangle it up.
Okay, fine. All right. You want to try, Janabi? Whatever you have learned? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good girl. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Knee close. Yes. This is springtime. Peacock open the wings and going into the spring field. Wow. And walks in the spring field. 2. Yes. Krishna ties his hair. Wow. And put peacock feather. Flowers blossom. And
I forgot.
no problem. And birds sing. Yeah, that is 3. Yes, that is 3. My God, you're so quick. Did you see Juliana and Anas? This is her first class and she's almost doing. No problem. Very good job. Let me ask to other girls, your friends. What do you say, Juliana, of her achievement in 45 or 1 hour?
I have no words. It took me months.
Anna, can you just give her some comments after watching her?
A prodigy.
Okay, so everyone is really impressed. Thank you so much. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now we will watch. We will watch Udit doing. You can keep on practicing, but whoever is wanted to watch him. Okay, let's 5, 6, 7. Start. This is springtime. Peacock open the wing and going into the spring field. And walks in the springtime. 1 and 2. Krishna in the springtime ties his hair and put peacock feather. Flower blossom and birds sing from the trees. Okay, let me just, I put this, my
off so that you can also comment directly. Juliana, please comment.
I mean, he's been blowing me away the entire class. I've been seeing all the turns perfect. This was great. Yeah, I don't know. It was just, I wanna leave now at this point. Thank you, bye. That was great. Congratulations. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Just tell her something.
Thank you. That's like too kind of you.
Yeah. Okay, Anna, any comment?
Obviously big talent.
Big talent, yeah.
Thank you so much. Right.
Okay, now Janavi, did you see Udit dancing? This is his
Yes,
really
ma'am.
fifth time or fourth time, but he has never done properly, huh? Tell me.
But he did so well actually. His posture was up to the marks.
Up to the mark.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
that I don't know, but
I
yes.
was trying to follow, but was
Okay, so
Thank you so much.
so thank you everyone for joining today. Okay, so first before we just chat a little bit because also Juliana has some questions. Hi, we will just do Brahmani Pranam. Hi. Start and start. Thank you. So yes, I could I wanted to also like every time Udit, you know, when he does something, not only dance, but because he stays very close by to my house, he is not caring about anything. He is just doing it, you know. So that's already a beauty for me. And whatever it may be, it might be wrong, but he's just throwing everything just there, you know. So this quality is very beautiful, and obviously that's why he can create such beautiful you know, architecture and all that. Anyways, so now tell me, Juliana, you said you have some question, no? Remember?
Oh, no, yes, sorry. The hands when Krishna poses.
Yes. So
Okay.
hand we will just patch up. Okay, now okay, so this first is this. Now coming up as if like, imagine we have hair here, but you don't touch. Okay, just showing like this, and now it becomes pataka. Then one round and tie. Okay, so from here coming up, one round and tie. Again, collect your hair. Tie. And collect your hair. And okay, so when you're coming here, can you see here as if there's a, I am holding a not cube, but yes, cube also, but some ball inside. So from here now, and I, again, and here, now. So actually, we have practiced this one, remember, before. I'm not asking you, it is not necessary that you show from this almost touching here, no. But you can do it like this also. Like it doesn't have to be touching. Okay, you can do this also. Let me see, you guys. Okay, 5, 6, 7, start and collect your hair and tie his hair. Again, collecting the hair and tie his hair. Juliana, you're doing fine, super fine. Again, 5, 6, 7, start collecting your hair, his hair, and tying his hair. Yes. Again, Last time, collecting the hair and tie his hair. Yes. Okay. Anna, Janabi, you guys are doing fine. But maybe this kind of movement is everywhere in the Odissi dance. For example, when we are like doing some like one, three, like one, two, three, this kind of thing. It is all this related. This related. Okay, so we will have one class when we do a lot of steppings. Let's again revise this because you don't use this movement in the daily life. Okay, and no, Juliana was saying
I don't
something.
remember. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
So
to
we
find it.
will revise on this, but
Mhm.
that's just okay. Those of you if you're busy, you can just go. But I just want to show once. Okay, so how to do it? So this left hand is facing. This palm is facing. Sorry, right hand is facing right. Left hand is facing left. Okay, now here, like here is like the palm is forward, down. So it is like a chasing each other. Also, you can try opposite round. And when you're doing, try to minimize the elbow movement
Oh, yeah.
so much. Okay, it's not like this.
Sorry.
You start from opposite direction of the palm. And you open this right hand up. Now left hand is also opening. Now right hand is down. Left hand is down. Now right hand opening. Left hand opening. Right hand down. Left hand down. One, two, one, two. Reverse. Now right hand opening, left hand opening, right hand down, left hand down. Right hand opening, left hand opening, right hand down, left hand down. Right hand opening, left hand opening, left hand, right hand. Okay. Left, right hand up, left hand down, right hand down. Can I just see you only once? 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2. Yes, Juliana, you're perfect. Now, Anna, show 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2. Juliana, try opposite side. 1, 2. Okay. So for Juliana, you have to try both sides, and Anna and Janabi, we have to do a hand session. Okay, because it's confusing. Okay, so for the because I will keep. You have to copy this video for the video purpose. Again, I will show. Okay, so this right hand is towards palm is towards the right. Left hand palm is towards the left. Okay, now open. This hand is going like this. This hand means right hand is like this, as if you are like caressing here something, some ground. Okay, if you have a ball here from here, you are like, like this and like this. And you're making 8 with the fingertips. Okay. So from here, upper 8 with the right hand. Upper 8. Now left hand is just following downer 8. Upper 8 with the right hand, upper 8 with the left hand, upper 8 right hand, lower 8 left hand. Upper 8 right, lower 8. How to explain? Okay. Opposite side is the same thing. You are drawing 8 with your left hand, and also the right hand is following. All right. So please do not worry if you don't get it today. Okay, and Janabi especially, please don't worry. I'm very happy at least you your peacock is perfect, and the rest of it also you could get it. Okay. And Janabi also, you try to, especially initially in the beginning, try to attend as many classes possible, because Indians are very lucky. If they want, they can join. Because for foreign people, maybe the time and it's not matching. Okay, and here now everyone, please copy the link today. Don't forget. Okay, Janabi, just see the screen, and there's a live on YouTube link is there. And if you just do the pull down menu, there is a copy stream link. Can you see?
No, ma'am. Where? Can you please again tell me?
Okay, maybe can I? Oh, no, I don't have to share. You are seeing me here. So here means, can you see me doing this cursor?
Yes, ma'am.
And you do pull down, and there's a copy stream link.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am. There is nothing.
Okay. Don't worry. I am going to send you immediately now on WhatsApp. Okay. And please try to watch your part at least. Okay. Because if you see yourself in the video, this is really like the secret and the fastest learning process also, maybe. All right. So thank you, everyone. And have a great week ahead, and hope to see you soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.